Welcome to Tombstone, Arizona, a town famous for its Wild West history and landmarks like the Tombstone Courthouse. This stunning example of Victorian architecture has been standing since 1882 and now serves as a museum, showcasing the rich history of Cochise County. व्यूवर्स, आज के व्लॉग में हम देखने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और फेमस टाउन टूम्बस्टोन जो कि मौजूद है एरिज़ोना में। और ये है कोर्ट हाउस जिसमें हम अभी आपको दिखाएंगे, बहुत ही खूबसूरत, जहाँ पर कैदियों को फांसी दी जाती थी। यहाँ पर कोर्ट ऑर्डर जो है यहाँ से जारी किए जाते थे। The Tombstone Courthouse was built during the town's silver mining boom, which brought a surge of population growth and economic activity. The courthouse was designed by architecture T.R. Burns and constructed using local limestone and brick. It served as the seat of government for Cochise County until 1929, when the county seat was moved to Bisbee. Today, the Tombstone Courthouse is a museum that offers a glimpse into the lives of the people who lived and worked in Cochise County during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The museum features exhibits on the history of the courthouse, the mining industry, and the lawmen and outlaws who shaped the town's reputation. You can see artifacts like old jail cells, court records, and even a replica of gallows where infamous outlaws met their fate. जैसा कि आप इस व्लॉग में देख रहे हैं, कोर्ट हाउस मौजूद है कोचीज काउंटी, टूम्बस्टोन, एरिज़ोना में। और ये अब जो है म्यूज़ियम के तौर पर काम करता है। यहाँ पर जितने भी सफाक आउटलोस थे, जिनको कि ये मुजरिम कहा जाता है, उनको यहाँ पर फांसी दी गई। और आप देखें, बहुत ही खूबसूरत हिस्ट्री टूम्बस्टोन की यहाँ पर दी गई है। The Tombstone Courthouse is a stunning example of Victorian architecture with a mix of Romanesque and Gothic revival styles. The building features a clock tower, arched windows, and a grand staircase. The exterior walls are made of local limestone, while the interior features wooden floors and ornate plasterwork. Tombstone was a lawless frontier town in 1880s, attracting notorious outlaws and lawmen. Some of the most infamous outlaws associated with Tombstone include Curly Bill Brocius, known for robbery, murder, and cattle rustling, notorious for killing Marshal Fred White. Fate, killed by Wyatt Earp in 1882. The Tombstone Courthouse played a significant role in maintaining law and order in the town. The courthouse featured a courtroom on the second floor where trials were held. The jail was located on the ground floor with cells made of iron bars and stone walls. The courthouse hosted several high-profile trials, including the trial of Wyatt Earp and Doc Holliday for the murder of Billy Clanton. The trial of Curly Bill Brocius for the murder of Marshal Fred White was also held here. The courthouse was the center of law enforcement in Tombstone, with marshals and sheriffs working to maintain order. Outlaws often targeted the courthouse, attempting to intimidate or kill lawmen and disrupt the justice system. प्यारे व्यूवर्स, जैसा कि आप इस व्लॉग में देख रहे हैं, इस म्यूज़ियम में अमेरिका में जब कोई लॉ और ऑर्डर नहीं था तो यहाँ पर जराइम बिल्कुल आम थे। तो यहाँ पर जराइम को और मुजरिमों को रोकने के लिए शेरिफ्स और मार्शल मौजूद थे, और यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे बहुत सारी हिस्ट्री उन मार्शल्स की और शेरिफ की जिन्होंने इस टूम्बस्टोन में जो है लॉ और ऑर्डर लेकर आए। The museum features exhibits on the history of Tombstone, the courthouse, and the outlaws and lawmen who shaped the town. Artifacts on display include historic photographs, documents, and even the original courthouse furnishing. Visitors can take a self-guided tour of the museum and explore the exhibit at their own pace. Guided tours are also available, offering a more in-depth look at the courthouse and its history. Courthouse hosts various reenactments and events throughout the year, including gunfight reenactments and historical lectures. Visitors can check the museum website or contact them directly for information on upcoming events. So viewers, as you can see in this beautiful courthouse museum, all the artifacts the way it used to be in old Wild West. So viewers, if you're interested to learn more about old Western history, I highly recommend that you should come and visit Tombstone, Arizona courthouse and all their reenactments. You will learn more about the history of America and how it was before law and after law. As you can see in this vlog, you will find a lot of interesting things to learn and see. In this courthouse museum Tombstone, you will find old bicycle replica and the buggies, the way people used to ride in 1960s or early 1800. जैसा कि आप मेरे व्लॉग में देख रहे होंगे, कोर्ट हाउस टूम्बस्टोन म्यूज़ियम में बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें और आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन देखने को मिलेगी। जैसा कि आप देख रहे होंगे, ये पुराने ज़माने में लोग 1800 में जो है ये बगीज़ जो हैं इस्तेमाल करते थे अपने रोज़मर्रा के आने जाने की ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए, और माइनिंग के लिए जो टूल्स इस्तेमाल होते थे वो भी आपको इस कोर्ट हाउस में देखने को मिलेंगे। As you can see in this vlog, there are a lot of old mining tools that people used to mine gold in this tombstone area. So guys, I would highly recommend that you come with your family, friends and kids to enjoy this beautiful museum that is present in Tombstone, Arizona. Tombstone itself is a full fun day. You can shop around here, buy all the souvenirs, and you can see the gunfights that they put on just like in old Wild West. viewers, Courthouse Museum in Tombstone itself is a full day fun trip. You can come here and explore all the old Western history and how they used to ride the horses, their saddles, and the way they dressed and they carry their guns and everything. And one of the interesting place which still exists is in Courthouse you will find a gallows where they in real take all the notorious outlaws and would hang them. And you will see in my vlog that place where they used to hang all those bad outlaws in front of everybody. आपको मैं दिखाने जा रही हूँ फांसी घाट, जहाँ पर वाकई में जो बुरे लोग थे यानी कि आउटलॉज थे उनको फांसी दी गई। और ये है वो फांसी घाट जो अभी भी मौजूद है। इस जगह पर आउटलॉज को फांसी दी गई। So we are standing in front of the gallows where they used to hang those bad outlaws in front of all the people. And this place is still present in the courthouse, Tombstone, Arizona. And this is a cell where they put all the prisoners, maybe 4 or 5 in one cell. This was my today's vlog on Courthouse in Tombstone. I hope you guys have enjoyed my vlog. Make sure to subscribe my channel and let me know if you have enjoyed my video. Take care. See you next time.